The mirror function is a really handy way of creating perfectly symmetrical designs. So we're going to start by, I'm already in sketch mode, you'll see. I'm going to start by creating a circle, then creating a line beside that circle. And it's going to overlap by about this much. The exact amount doesn't matter for this exercise. I'm then going to go over here and I'm going to create an arc by 3 points. You need to go to about there, here, and then just draw this downwards. Okay, now I'm going to use the trim function to remove some of the bits I don't want here. Some of you might already be able to see what shape it is I'm going to be creating with the symmetrical design. Okay, so from there I go create, mirror, and I get this menu here, and first thing I need to do is select the object that I want to create a mirror of. So I go in here, I click on that, and I click on that. Okay, so that line is going to be what I want to mirror. And then I go here and I select the line I want to create a mirror around. And then I click on OK. And you can see now I've created a heart shape. I'm going into the trim mode. I just press T on the keyboard, and now I've created a heart. Okay, so I could then press extrude. Oops. Use the extrude function here, and make that 5 millimeters. And I've got a little heart which I could put a hole on, turn it into a key ring, whatever I want to do. Okay, so that's one way of doing it. Another way of doing the same thing would be to go back. Actually, I'll just do it this way. I'm just going to undo this. The other way I could do it is, when I've got that shape like that, I could actually extrude it. So I'm just going to click on E, extrude, and 5 millimeters. Okay, so now I've got half of the heart. And what I can then do is click on Create, Mirror, and this time I go down here and I say the body, so it's the whole thing that I want to mirror. So I click on that, click on this, and then I need to select which part of this I want to use as a mirror plane. So I click on Select, and then I highlight, that's the bit I want to use as the mirror image, and then I click on OK. You can see I've now got the same shape that I had when I did the previous design. Now if you look very carefully, you can see the difference here is I've actually created a second body, and so you can actually see there's a line there, whereas when I did it with the sketch mode there wasn't that line. But you know, different methods will be appropriate for different situations. Okay, have a go at this one and then see how you get on.